today I am going to attempt to make homemade mozzarella sticks. Phone would be ringing at this moment. Hold one moment. Okay, I'm back. That was my mom. She was just calling, checking on me. Now, as I was stating, I'm going to attempt to make mozzarella sticks. This will be my first time trying this. I love Sonic's mozzarella sticks. I will go up to Sonic's just to buy an order of mozzarella sticks. So I'm like, you know, gas is getting high. Wow. Why burn unnecessary gas just driving up to Sonic's when, hey, you can make them at home? So what I'm going to do is to attempt to make my own mozzarella sticks right here at home. Okay, I'm back. And right here I have everything that I need for homemade mozzarella sticks. I have the Kraft 1 pound mozzarella sticks. They're already pre-cut, so I do like that. Got these. I've got some breadcrumbs, Italian style breadcrumb. I have 2 eggs, as well as milk. And I'm not that good where I can make homemade marinara sauce, so I purchased a bottle of Emerald's home style marinara. Okay, so there we go. Now the first thing I am going to do is to break my eggs. Okay, never break your egg on the side of your bowl, because you may just get eggshells in there. Okay, now along with that, I'm going to put a tablespoon of milk into the eggs. Oop. I'm gonna put that milk back in the refrigerator. That's done. Now what I'm going to do is take my breadcrumbs, just put me some breadcrumbs in this bowl like that. Okay, now to those breadcrumbs, this is something I saw Giada do. She added some Parmesan cheese. So I'm gonna add just a little bit. Maybe it'll give it the crust more of a cheesy taste or not. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna add that, kind of stir that up. Oh, good. Here we go. And to those breadcrumbs, what I'm going to do is add just a pinch of salt. And a little pepper. Kind of wake up those flavors when you add that salt. Okay, now I've done that. I have my breadcrumbs ready. I have my egg mixture ready. So I am about to form myself a small assembly line. I'm going to open the cheese up. Oh my goodness. Okay. I see these cheeses are individually wrapped. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start opening the cheeses up and get them ready, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I've opened my mozzarella sticks up, I'm going to take one cheese stick, dip it in the eggs, kind of twirl it around there, take that off, roll it in the bread mixture, breadcrumbs. I think for the eggs, I'm going to get a bigger bowl. Yeah, use that bigger bowl. Now I'm going to take that bread and the cheese stick again and roll it in the egg mixture again. Take it out, put it back in. Then take it, let's see, breaded it 2 times. I'm gonna try a third. Roll it again. Take it out. Roll it again. And take that and place it in my bowl. I'm not liking the feeling of this mixture on my hand, but hey, I guess that's the way it goes. Okay, roll it in the egg wash, then roll it in the bread. Then take it and put it back in the egg wash again. Back in the egg. Do it, coat it 3 times. See how, when I seen them do it online, they did 2. The person that did it, she did it 2, but I'm gonna go for 3. Watch me. The way I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it with my tongs, because I don't like the feel of that. Put that in my tongue. Kind of roll that around. Roll that around. Put it back in the egg wash. Now here are 6 of my cheese sticks already battered. 3 of them I coated 3 times. The other 3 I coated only 2 times. And I have 3 more to go. I'm going to finish these 3, and then I'm going to take this mixture, put my top on this, and put it in the freezer for about 3 hours. You could do it at least 3 hours in the freezer, or you could do it 24 hours, however you choose to do it. And you can make as many cheese sticks as you would like. Fry some up, put the rest of them in the freezer until you feel like, you know, you want some more cheese sticks. Guess what? Mozzarella sticks, guess what? They're already ready. All you have to do is pop a few of them out of your freezer, fry them, and there you go. Homemade mozzarella sticks. No more driving to Sonic's just to get mozzarella sticks. Okay, I'll be right back in a moment. Okay, I'm done doing my mozzarella sticks. Here you go. Here they are. Now what I'm about to do, I'm about to put a top over this, and then I'm going to sit it in the freezer for at least 3 hours, and then I'm going to fry them up. And I'll be back to show you the process of when I start to fry up my mozzarella sticks. I'll be right back. And okay, they're in the freezer. Let's let them freeze for 3 hours. Okay, I'm frying up 2 mozzarella sticks just for testing purposes. They've been in the freezer for about an hour. Looks like I should have left them in there a little bit longer, but I'm about to take these out, and I'll let you know. Okay, there they are. I fried them for about, I say, good 2 minutes. And yeah, look at them, they're golden brown. Paper towels up under that to drain the excess oil. And I have a little side of marinara sauce. Have a side of marinara, and I'm about to try these boys and let you know how they turn out. I'm gonna take this one right here. Oh, look at that cheese. Look at that. Look at the cheese. Watch this. Yeah. Dip it in that sauce. There you are. Homemade mozzarella sticks. Hey guys, try it and take a bite and let you know how it tastes. They're delicious. Sorry, they're delicious. Try them at home and enjoy.